Whether you're jet-setting across continents or planning a weekend getaway, these 5 travel gadgets are designed to make your journey smoother, smarter, and more organized. From smarter luggage to hands-free hacks, let's dive into the must-haves for modern travelers. The Samsonite Freeform is a sleek, airline-approved carry-on built for travelers who want durability without the bulk. Its hard-shell polycarbonate exterior resists scratches and dents, while the double spinner wheels glide effortlessly through airports. Inside, you'll find expandable compartments, cross straps, and a divider panel to keep your items organized. The TSA-approved lock adds peace of mind, and at just 6.5 pounds, it's one of the lightest in its class. If you want a carry-on that's stylish, secure, and built to last, this one's a no-brainer. Check the description below for the best price and color options. Apple's AirTag is the ultimate travel tracker. Just slip one into your suitcase, backpack, or wallet, and you can locate it instantly using the Find My app. With precision finding powered by the U1 chip, you'll get turn-by-turn directions to your lost item. The built-in speaker helps you locate it nearby, and the IP67 water resistance means it's ready for rough travel conditions. Plus, the 1-year battery life and replaceable CR2032 battery make it a long-term companion. If you've ever lost a bag or left your keys behind, AirTags are your travel insurance. Tap the link in the description to grab the 4-pack at the best value. Kuicur Portable Electric Toothbrush is a compact electric toothbrush built for travelers who don't want to pack a charger. With a 90-day battery life on a single charge, 10 brush heads, and 5 cleaning modes, it's designed for long trips and daily use alike. The smart timer ensures dentist-recommended brushing, and the travel case keeps everything clean and organized. Its sonic vibration tech delivers up to 42,000 strokes per minute for a deep clean that rivals your home setup. If you want a toothbrush that's powerful, portable, and low maintenance, this one's a game changer. Check the description below for the latest deals and color options. The MiiKARE phone holder is a compact foldable mount that clips onto airplane tray tables, luggage handles, or even your desk. With 360-degree rotation, it lets you watch movies, follow maps, or take video calls hands-free. The non-slip grip keeps your phone secure, and it folds flat to fit in your pocket or carry-on. Whether you're flying, commuting, or working remotely, this gadget adds serious convenience. If you're tired of holding your phone mid-flight or propping it up with a water bottle, this is your fix. Tap the link in the description to grab one before your next trip. Packing cubes are a traveler's secret weapon, and this 8-piece set from BAGAIL includes cubes of various sizes, plus a laundry bag and shoe pouch. Made from lightweight, water-resistant nylon, they help you separate outfits, compress bulky items, and keep your suitcase tidy. The mesh tops let you see what's inside, and the double zippers make packing and unpacking a breeze. If you want to save space, stay organized, and breeze through security, these cubes are a must. Check the description below for the best price and color combos. From smart tracking to stress-free packing, these 5 gadgets are designed to make your 2025 travel smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Check the description below for links to every product featured, along with the best prices and bundle deals available now. And if this guide helped you prep for your next trip, give it a like, subscribe for more travel tech tips, and let me know in the comments.